Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Well, take only what resonates. Bali, hindi kasi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, ano. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung hindi ko makuha yung energy mo, hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading, okay lang yun. Huwag natin ipilit. May mga next readings pa naman. Ayan. And, pwede mo akong i-subscribe or i-follow din sa TikTok. By the way, meron akong available ngayon. Actually, limited lang to. And naka-promo siya. Kung gusto mong magpa-tarot reading, astrological reading, ayan, pwede. Ngayon, dito sa TikTok shop ko, ma-avail mo siya. Naka-promo pa siya ngayon, no? Pero limited lang. So, kung mag-avail ka ng crystal bracelet, upload ko lang siya. And siguro mga nasa 7 pieces lang yun. So, kung makaka-avail ka nun, meron kang video na gagawin ko, astrological or tarot reading, ikaw ang mamimili. Okay? So, yeah, like what I've said, limited lang yun. Start na natin ng reading. Wait lang. Kinukuha ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko kasi hindi ko naramdaman na yung hawak ko kaninang card yung dapat kong gamitin para sa'yo. So, I will be using this card. This is situation card. I really do love this card. Let's start your reading. What do we have here for Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Ayan. By the way, dun sa reading ko, you can ask mga 3 questions doon. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay. Bottom of the deck, you do have here tragedy. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi ha. Trash is here today and nightlife. Okay. I feel like you're thinking about someone na pwedeng minsan mo na siyang nilayuan, iniwasan, inalis sa buhay mo. You know, yung parang mas nag-concentrate ka sa present and future. You know what I mean? And I feel like this person is maybe the main reason kaya ka lumabas or umalis sa situation niya is because a third party situation is involved, lalo na dito sa tragedy, which is forbidden love. And itong person in the past, you do have here recalling. I feel like is currently returning in your life right now, may pagbabalik. And this time, I feel like nandito yung energy na although may mga bawal na connection, this time you are willing to take the risk with the nightlife. Alam mo yan sa sarili mo. Maybe kasi kahit iniwan mo siya, kahit lumayo siya, hindi naman nawala yung emotions mo eh. Diba? Kumbaga parang, tinry mo naman. Kaya lang it's like, the universe or God is giving you this person na kahit anong tapon mo, kahit anong layo mo, kahit anong alis mo, or kahit siya, sa connection na ito, ba't nababalik at nababalik pa rin? Bakit ganon? Diba? Parang, you know yourself. You know yourself, how you love and kung paano ka as a person. Pero bakit pagdating sa kanya iba? Diba? Maybe may mga bagay ka nagagawa na hindi mo naman talaga ginagawa sa iba. Hindi ko sinasabing ito lahat. Hindi ko sinasabing ito yung story mo. Bibigyan lang kita ng example. For example, ikaw yung tipo ng taong ma-ego, mataas ang pride. You don't know how to say sorry. No? Or, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na after couple of days or weeks, limot mo na, alam mo yun, yung parang pag nakita mo na lahat, yung mga bagay na gusto mong makita sa isang tao, parang nawawalan ka na ng gana sa kanya. And then, etong taong to, bakit ganon na after maybe ilang months or years, ganun pa rin, same pa rin ang emotions, same pa rin ang kumbaga nakikita mo or nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. And then, 'di ba? So parang ang hirap i-deny nitong person na 'to. So I feel like with the nightlife, this is you willing to take the risk. This is you willing to take the risk now. Kasi ibinalik sa'yo, which is maybe isa rin naman yun sa paniniwala mo na parang 'pag binalik sa'yo talaga, parang gano'n. So, who is this person that you're dealing with? Hindi ko alam guys kung makaka-relate ka or hindi. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, wag mong pilitin. Wag mong pilitin. What do we have here for your person? Love is here. Ayan. Focused. And then, triggers. Okay, so this person still loves you. The problem is that, with the focus is that, itong person na ito, even though sabihin na natin may mga ibang connection na involved, na high chance na nasa side niya, or maybe whoever side, it doesn't really matter for now kung kaninong side yung may connection. Pero yung nakikita natin dito, kahit nasa iyo yung connection or nasa side niya, this person is really focused on you. Yung love or yung emotion sa'yo lang. Sabihin na natin, sige, may karelasyon siyang iba, pero hindi niya yun mahal eh. Ikaw pa rin yung mahal niya. And then with the triggers right here, might be this person is coming back, want to talk, or parang gusto may pag-uusap, or pwedeng, yung iba pwede may conversation, communication na sa inyo, kasi parang may nagpapatrigger. Alam mo yon, may nagiging dahilan para magkaroon ng connection or communication sa inyong dalawa. Na maybe yung person na ito, hindi naman niya talaga gusto, or hindi naman talaga dapat siya makikipag-connect or communicate. Pero dahil dun sa nagpapatrigger na yon ng communication, nangyayari si communication. For example, halimbawa, hindi ka naman talaga niya dapat kakausapin or ayaw niya kanyang kakausapin, pero biglang may something na mangyayari na sitwasyon kung bakit magkakaroon ng dahilan para kausapin ka niya. You know what I mean? So hindi rin naman sa pinipilit ng person mo, you know, hindi naman dahil pinipilit niya yung connection or communication, lalo na isa rin naman siya sa nakikita natin na tinatry niyang tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay kahit wala ka. But the problem is, may nagpapatrigger talaga. And I feel like yung trigger is coming from the universe. Kumbaga, hindi na mapigilan. Kasi universe na yung mismong gumagawa ng paraan eh. Okay. And yung trigger could also be a sign. Kumbaga, kung bakit itong person na ito, hindi ko niya makalimutan because may nagpapatrigger or may nagpapaalala sa'yo, sa kanya. Whether yung iyong pangalan or ang iyong number or birthday, I don't know, something to do with you or symbols na may kinalaman sa'yo. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have a roller coaster. Poison is here and drastic. Children is here. Tragedy. Okay. Yung iba may mga marriage pa na involved or children na involved dito sa connection eh. Then, especially with the entrapment. The way I see this, some of you, yung connection, pwedeng may involvement ng pagbubuntis or children na pwedeng napikot kind of energy or pwedeng unwanted pregnancy. So, pwedeng yung person mo, pwedeng kung may pamilya, family is here. Kung pamilyado, pwedeng yung person mo, kaya siya, sabihin na natin, kaya siya nagkaroon ng pamilya because napikot siya or kaya siya nabuntis, yun ay dahil maybe it's unwanted pregnancy, so pwedeng nabuntis lang, ganun, and then nagkaroon ng relationship, ganun. But anyway, LGBTQIA+ are welcome. You do have here entrapment. So, Yun yung nakikita nating main problem. Hindi ko alam kung pare-pareho yung situation ninyo, pero guys, high chance that I don't know, this feels like a personal reading. Some of you, konti lang talaga makaka-relate dito. Roller coaster is here. So, yung emotion mo actually ngayon, there's a lot of excitement, excitement, a lot of, maganda ang pagtingin mo dito sa taong ito ngayon. Like, you wanted to see this person. Honestly, yung iba sa inyo, gusto mo pang matikman, gusto mo pang mahawakan, gusto mo pang may sexual connection sa inyo. And with the drastic, this is because andun yung pwedeng bigla na lang nag-cut off yung connection ninyo na parang you want more. Honestly. So, parang may mga cravings na tinatawag yun. Parang hindi mo kasi naranasan yung ganito, ganyan. Tapos may mga bagay kang gustong maranasan sa kanya. And also, ngayon yung person mo, or yung emotion mo is a lot of excitement, a lot of love, a lot of adrenaline. Some of you, lalo na kung may third party na involved. Hindi ko alam guys, actually, hindi naman ako pro sa mga third party, pero ang alam ko kasi sa third party, mas nakaka-excite naman kasi talaga pag nakatago or may tinatago. So, hindi, like, I don't know if you do have a relationship with this person, pero kung wala man kayong relationship, maybe yung communication, yun yung itinatago. Kung hindi yung mismong relasyon, pwedeng yung itinatago. Maybe there are times that you are looking for this person through his or her social media. Pwede may mga tinitingnan kang photos or picture. Pero may mga times kailangan mo itago yun, yung pagtingin na ginagawa mo na ganun. So mas nakaka-excite siya. No, I don't know why, pero may excitement ako nararamdaman. And this energy for your person, there's a lot of um realization. There's a cup here, so it is showing to me as a ace of cups. There's a lot of love mula dito sa taong to. This person is wala siya, actually the children is showing to me as yung thinking ng person mo. Children is, when you see a child, 'di ba, talagang pag nakakita ka ng bata, may mga bagay na ginagawa yung bata kasi wala siyang pakialam sa paligid niya. Nagiging bata lang siya talaga, yung parang ganun. And then sa person mo, parang ganun, wala rin siyang pakialam sa paligid niya. What I know now is that I love you. Kahit pa mali, kahit pa bawal, ang alam ko basta mahal kita. That's the energy of your person. So what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Desire is here. History. Bounty hunter. Hamster wheel. And I want to get more cards. Clarify the desire and history. Receipt is here. In the future for the both of you. Karmic and legal is here. Okay. Wish is at the bottom of the deck, and then magnetic is here. Oh. The way I see this is that nandun yung sweet connection in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Like, pinursige eh. If you're dealing with a chaser, itong person to, pwedeng pinursige rin naman niya yung paghahabol. Like, hindi naman din siya nag-stop. And in the future, I don't feel like this person is going to stop. Mas nakita pa nga natin na naabutan ka niya, nahabol ka niya, nakuha ka niya. The history is here. So, whatever happened in the past, um, it happened already. So, with the receipt, I feel like there's this energy na prepared. You will be prepared and will be preparing for something. And I can see the energy of pwedeng magkaroon ng one-on-one conversation sa inyo na tong person na to. Mm, yung wish at saka magnetic sa bottom of the deck, it feels like whatever you wish for in the past, balikan mo yung mga hiniling mo ng mga nakaraan, pinagpray mo, hiniling mo. And I feel like um, kusang dadating or kusang mangyayari ito sa'yo. Like whatever you wish in the past will happen in the future for you. In the near future, malapit na. And alam mo yan alam mo kung ano yung hiniling mo eh. And tell me about the desire. Pressure, oh wow. There's a lot of sexual connection here. This is like a fire. So yung fire is mainit talaga yan, and that is signifying like a sexual connections sa inyong dalawa. Journal is here. So I feel like there's a story in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Pero regarding dito, sa ibang connection, nakakita tayo dito ng hamster wheel, which is, this is like showing to me as the wheel of fortune. So, malaking pagbabago regarding the karmic and legal matter. So, kung may marriage at saka marriage or third party na involved, may malaking pagbabago dyan. Tell me about this. We do have, we are threatened. And one more card. Gossip. Yeah, there's a lot of jealousy in the near future pagdating sa third party situation. Pero it's an energy na parang wala siyang magagawa eh. 'Di ba? Soulmate is here. Maybe yung connection mo with this person is a soulmate connection. And pwedeng magkaroon ng level up ang connection ninyo ng person na ito. And this is actually protected. This is actually protected. Kung ano man yung mga or sino man yung mga taong involved dito, and kahit may children na involved, I feel like you do over cleansing. So may mga removal or pag-alis sa mga taong iba na involved dito. And yeah, there's a connection pa rin because maybe lalo na kung may children na involved. Pero you know, I'm seeing like both of you are loyal person loyal people. So, kung magkakaroon man ng kung magkakaroon man ng connection sa inyong dalawa, definitely aalisan yung iba because maaaring magkaroon ng tendency ng reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. Pero, mangyayari yung reconciliation, aalisan mo na yung isa. You know what I mean? So, hindi ko siya nakikita as a third party situation or connection na parang may mga lolokohin kayong tao. May mga tinatago na yung tinatago is, yun nga, alimbawa, gusto mong tignan yung picture niya while or maybe may communication pero it's not a love communication, maybe something to do with work or what, or related, ganun lang. Pero, if you are currently in a third party situation na parang niloloko mo yung isang partner mo, this is not your reading kasi I don't see any relationship here. What I see is that pinigilan, tinapos, or hindi itinuloy o tinry takasan because of other relationship. May respeto sa other relationship na involved. Okay? So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.